Today we're going to be discussing the craziness that has occurred in the crypto market and what this means for Shiba Inu going forward. Let's get into the video. Okay everyone, so it is no secret that the crypto market has been in shambles over the past 12 to even 16 or 18 hours. Now we're going to be going over all of the reasons why this is, whether you should be rethinking your crypto investment or not. I say not, but I'll be explaining why, and then a bunch of other stuff. So you guys want to see all that, stick around till the end of the video. But if you guys want to try to regain some of your losses here, go ahead and deposit $1 on public with the first link in the description, and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I actually got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple of days ago with the public app from a free stock I got. So if you guys want to try to get yourself a free stock as well, go ahead and use the first link in the description. Not only that, we only have about 2 or 3 more days left of this 50% sale of our private Discord. So if you guys want to get our buy and sell alerts and private Discord access for $10, which is 50% off the normal $20, then go ahead and get signed up with our second link in our description. It's only going to be available for about 2 or 3 more days. So if you guys want to, go ahead and get signed up with that second link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. And we're going to be talking about the overall broader market as well. I do want to mention Shib is down about 12%. This is not unlike other cryptocurrencies. We're actually doing better than Ethereum, which is down 13%, and Bitcoin, which is down 10%. I do want to mention, guys, I'm going to be putting out a lot of buy alerts. Considering we're down 10% over the last day in crypto, I'm going to be putting out a lot of buy alerts on our private Discord. So is Kyle, who is the other person who runs this channel. So if you guys have been interested in joining our private Discord, today is the day to do it. But anyways, I do want to mention we're not the only one down. This isn't anything fundamentally that has changed about Shiba Inu Coin. It is purely just a bad day in the market, and we will bounce back. But yeah, this video is just going to be explaining what went on in the market yesterday, because I actually pre-make my videos on both Monday and Wednesday for Tuesday and Thursday, because I have one more semester of school. I am in college, and those days I have school all day basically. But anyways, so I didn't make any videos yesterday, so I didn't really give an update on what was going on at all. So let's go over what went on. So the first thing that really happened was the SEC about 23 hours ago at this point, so basically at 10 a.m. Denied a Bitcoin ETF. So going into 10 a.m. yesterday, which is my time obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum were actually doing extremely well. You can see that it was at about 43,000 yesterday. We were kind of recovering pretty well, and then all of a sudden we just had this pretty big break to the downside, and it was because not China, the SEC denied a Bitcoin ETF due to Tether's price manipulation and fraud. Whether that is the actual reason for Tether's price manipulation and fraud, or they just think it's too risky, the SEC denied a Bitcoin ETF, which a lot of people were looking forward to and did not expect the SEC to deny. People might have had their suspicions, but a lot of people thought this ETF would go through. Now, Ripple's top lawyer says that the SEC has declared war on crypto. So basically yesterday, it all boils down to governments were kind of gearing up and saying, hey, crypto, it's been fun, guys, but it's over now. And that's what a lot of these different government entities are trying to say, with the SEC denying a Bitcoin ETF, saying it's too risky or there's too much manipulation and fraud going on, which totally understandable how, if you don't really look into it that deep, that obviously you can say that, but they don't even want to try to put regulation on it because it takes power from governments. And that's really what this is all about, is that crypto takes power from different countries, different governments, and all these different governments are just going to ban it because it takes power from them. And even the United States, power hungry, Russia, power hungry, China, power hungry. If you give power to decentralized authorities where there's no one in power of it, and people just get to make their own decisions, that's when governments hate to see, or that's what governments hate to see. But yeah, so the SEC basically denied a Bitcoin ETF, and that started the tumble. And it wasn't too bad. I was like, okay, let's buy in these dips. And then, what's it called? Russia proposed a ban on use and mining of cryptocurrencies, points to steps taken in China. So basically, if you guys don't know, back in September, actually, China declares all cryptocurrency transactions illegal. So basically, virtual currency related business activities are illegal financing activities, the People's Bank of China said, warning it seriously endangers the safety of people's assets. So basically, that made Bitcoin's price go down in the short term. But then after this, we actually had one of the biggest bull runs that we had. So if you don't know, that happened basically late September. And if we go back in late September, that was when we were about at $42,000, and we ran all the way up in November to $66,000. So if this is possibly, a similar thing, then we could be seeing, a big run up in price following this kind of Russia's proposed ban. But yeah, basically Russia proposed a ban on the use and mining of cryptocurrencies, and this absolutely tanked the market. So that's pretty much what's been going on. And they're pointing out to, China saying, hey, you shouldn't be able to mine it. You shouldn't be able to transact with it. No more crypto is what Russia's saying. And obviously China has already said this. That paired with the SEC denying a Bitcoin ETF and leading people to believe, whoa, are they going to say that crypto is illegal in the United States? So these are all things that have happened and have led people to believe that, crypto could just be going down. And anyways, I also want to go over a few different things. But basically, Justin, 239,000 crypto accounts have been liquidated in the past 24 hours, totaling 910 million. And if you guys don't know, liquidating means when could mean a multitude of things. This could mean people have gotten margin called and they had to pay back some loans they've had on cryptocurrencies. And basically, they were updating this a ton. It was at 193,000 crypto accounts liquidated in the past 24 hours for 742. And yeah, basically just a ton of liquidations happened. So not only did we have bad news in the market, but people were having to pay people back and sell their crypto in order to pay people back, which basically means terrible price action for us. But yeah, that's basically what's been going on, is the SEC and then also Russia, the SEC denying a Bitcoin ETF and then Russia or saying, hey, we should probably ban crypto just like China. So that's kind of what's going on with the crypto market. But how does this affect Shiba Inu? So we are down 11% in the whole crypto market. Pretty much everything is down. So if you guys want to be buying stuff, now's the time. Join that private Discord. And we're actually outperforming Ethereum, which is good to see. But our market cap has gone down all the way to $13 billion, and our volume is up 268%, but it's because we've been having a harsh sell-off. And honestly, over the past couple of hours, I'm okay with the price action we're seeing. I'm actually might be putting out a buy alert on Shiba Inu Coin pretty soon. But I'm just kind of excited at the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is outperforming Ethereum, because normally when Ethereum is down 5%, Shib could be down anywhere from 10 to 12%. Well, I figured if, Ethereum is down 10%, Shib could be down anywhere from 15 to 20, but we're only down 12%, kind of just performing with the market, which is actually pretty bullish. But let's go over the technical analysis before we go. So we've obviously broken back into this downtrend, and this is a point I made on the private Discord last night. Hey guys, we broke out of this, we broke out of this bearish trend we were in, and we should have been on a rocket ship all the way to 3250. But technical analysis isn't everything. When there's bad things going on in the market, you are going to see obviously breaks that shouldn't be happening according to the technical analysis. But since we had so much bad stuff going on in the crypto markets, we have fallen back down here. Now we're going to have a resistance at the 2650, and then our previous support here at the 24. So anywhere above this 24 is a good buy in my opinion. Honestly, right now is a pretty okay buy too. But I will be discussing when I'm actually buying in our private Discord. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But yeah, our RSI's at 40. We're trending up on the MACD. I'll do some more technical analysis in the next video when this is kind of updated and I've updated my technical analysis. But wanted to get this video out to you guys just to explain what's been going on in the market. But yeah, make sure that you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description with public, and then get signed up with our private Discord, 50% off for 2 or 3 more days. If you guys want to join, today is the day to join. So go ahead and do that with that second link in the description. That's going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.